So you're driving down the street at daytime, guys. You now have full daytime running lights, guys. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know me, back with another video. Thank y'all for kicking it with your boy Q today, guys. So y'all ready to title the video, man? Ain't no hiding it. That's right. We are finally getting some Morimoto headlights put into red. That's right. I done switched up, and this bug is just bugging me. Go away, bro. So I done switched up and finally got some Morimotos, man. I done gave in to the Morimoto, I guess, crave or rush or whatever you want to call it, bro. I done finally gave in and bought some Morimoto headlights. I do want to shout out Retro Source Fit, which is who I got my Morimoto's headlights through. And yeah, so thank you to Retrofit Source and partnering with them. I say partner, guys, and they're not free. Basically, I got like a discounted price on it. I didn't pay full price, but I still had to pay some money, so it wasn't free. It's not a full sponsorship. So about the Enzo, guys, y'all know I had them now for about 3-4 years, for a long time. Love the way the Enzos look. I'm gonna be honest with you, like a very natural look on the truck. If you don't know, these are the switchback. They do have two options. They have the one with the non-switchback where it's just like this, and they have the switchback, so when you turn your signal on, the switchback function like that, right? Boom, and it goes back white. Honestly, they've been great. No moisture, no anything, right? They look amazing. My biggest issue with them is replacing bulbs. They don't blow bulbs, it's just replacing the bulb, right? There's nothing wrong with the headlights. Not an Enzo fault, it's a Ford fault. Ford just makes it so hard to replace these freaking bulbs. It's a pain in the butt. I know a lot of you guys say you can go underneath the wheel well right here and do it too. My tire's big. I don't even say that's an excuse. My tires are big. It do make it a little harder to get down there and do it. That's why I decided to go with the Morimotos, because I just got tired of replacing bulbs. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. That's really the only reason why. I guess I lied. I said that's the only reason. Second reason is here. See this switchback here? You notice on the other side, it turned amber. Show y'all, see, orange. Over here, this one does it, but the connection, I have to redo that connection like 2 times now. It'll work for like a month or 2, and then it'll just go out again and stop working. So it's probably something I did. A lot of guys say, bro, I should have just went in and like soldered it or welded it together, whatever, and got a better connection, which I could have. But honestly, now I'm just tired of replacing bulbs. Right now, this headlight over here is out. And I actually just replaced this one like 3 months ago, and now this one went out. Y'all like, man, you know what, bro? I'm just tired of replacing headlights, and I'm not gonna do it anymore. And that's why I got Morimotos. Now, I will not be installing these Morimotos myself because, guys, I'm just tired of working on my truck myself. I'm to the point now to where I'm just tired of doing the physical work on it. I'd rather just pay somebody to do it. I'm gonna be real. Now, I will say about Enzo. I love Enzo. Tag them on my videos. Love their product, right? I heard another rendition of these Enzo switchbacks, and they actually will now have built-in LED bulbs. So the LED bulb will be built in, kind of like the Morimotos, so you won't have to worry about replacing bulbs anymore. It's gonna be built in. I heard they're a lot brighter than the last set. Check out the guy Boosted Yeti. He has a set on his update. I guess we'll see y'all when we get the Morimotos in. Hopefully everything goes well. We'll see y'all here in a bit. I do want to say, guys, I have had my Morimotos now since December, like literally since December. And now they're being used as a TV stand for right now because we just moved and anything. But yeah, I have had these since December, have not felt like putting them on. So now they are finally going on. I'm gonna tell you more about them once we get them on. Quick second, just show what the Enzos look like at nighttime. Y'all can see that side isn't working over there. Did love the Enzo. They were super bright, super good looking bulbs. I mean, headlights, don't get me wrong. I really, really like them. The amber switchback is cool, so, but y'all can see how bright they are. They are super bright at nighttime. Take a step back further for y'all so y'all can see there. But yeah, they look very menacing, I will say. A lot of people did ask the questions. I do just have regular LEDs off Amazon put in here. They do not come with LEDs on the old version. Apparently the new version will have LEDs built in, so you won't have to worry about that. But my set, when I bought it 3 years ago, did not. But that's just a look at y'all, for y'all here at nighttime. I'm just doing a nighttime drive so y'all can see the difference. Here's high beam, regular beam, and I do have a headlight on the right side that is currently out right now, so I just do fog lights off. That's what my headlights look like, the fog lights off, and it's probably picking up a lot more on camera than I actually can see because it's pretty dang dark, to be honest with you. But yeah, I want to give y'all a nice comparison with the Enzo. So now here when I get the Morimotos in, I'm gonna do the same drive again so y'all can see. But there's no fog lights right there. These are just regular driving lights. Again, my light bulb over there is out. So here you are, Morimoto XB LED, guys. So the main difference between these and the Enzos, for one, is that these are built built-in LEDs. So all the bulbs here are built-in LEDs, so you won't have to worry about replacing them. There is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The strip here is LED as well, and even your side markers are all LED lights, guys. So everything is LED, all built into one. Let's give it a good look. Now I will say it took a while to kind of grow on me because I was so used to the look of my Anzos, but they definitely have grown on me for sure now. So this is the generation 2 of the Morimoto XB headlights, guys. So the difference between the generation 1 and the generation 2 is on the generation 1, it only used the top 2 bulbs here for your night lights, and then for your high beams it used the bottom 2, right? So separate. So a lot of people complained apparently about the light output and it wasn't good. So what Morimoto did, they went back, and now for your light output, just normal nighttime driving, all 4 bulbs run. And then they use some type of bi-LED system when you just use your high beams. But apparently it's 200% brighter than the first generation. The second difference is the startup sequence. They added the startup sequence, guys, and I'm gonna show y'all this. So dope. Here we go, check this out. Hopefully it captures it on camera. So, not sure if y'all saw that, but what it does, all bulbs here, they light up, boom, 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 like a down sequence, and then they go off. And so you left with just the running bar. I don't know if it captures this. Let me try this one more time, just from a different angle, because the sun is super bright right now. Oh, that's better. There we go. You see that? And now it's gone. This is a very, very dope startup sequence. I think that looks super, super cool. And that's probably one of my favorite things about it. Another difference between this and the Anzos is you now get a full daytime running light bar. And so let me go ahead and show y'all, which is probably my second favorite part. And it is super, super bright. Let me show y'all this. Boom, there it is. So when you're driving down the street at daytime, guys, you can now have full daytime running lights, guys. So that bar stays like that the whole time while you're driving on the day, which is probably my favorite part about it, because this makes the truck look so mean and so good with those daytime running headlights. I mean, look at it. It is super crisp. They're super bright. Oh my goodness, guys. And I'm in like bright sunlight. Like I said, I'm telling y'all, in person don't do it justice how bright these things are. You can see here's the full LED bar turn signal right there, all the way down. Man, it looks really, really good. Like I said, probably my favorite thing about the Morimoto XB. This right here, this is probably my favorite thing. Go ahead and show y'all the turn signals if you're curious and want to see those. You do have 2 options with the turn signals. I went with the sequential here, boom, and which is another reason I wanted the sequential turn signals up here so bad. Look at that, it just flows. Look at that, it looks so good together. Like, that looks like it belongs together, bro. So you do have the option, if you wanted to where the whole thing just flashes amber, kind of like the Anzo. I chose that option because it looks cooler, it's more futuristic, more modern, you know, boom. I just like the way it looks. It looks amazing. So that's how the turn signal look. And don't mind the flicker, guys. It's not like that in real life, they're just on the camera. And now I'm gonna show y'all the actual headlights, how they look. So this is with the actual, no, they're not on. Here we go. So now I actually got the headlights on, and as you can see, as I mentioned before, see how all 4 bulbs now are lit up. In the past, only the top 2, but now you get all 4 lit up right there. And it looks like in the camera, and I noticed this too, it only looks like 2 of them are lit up, 2 or 3, but if you keep going down in person, you can kind of see that the top 3 for sure look lit, and the 4 is kind of lit, but not really. I'm pretty sure that's how it's designed, but this is how it will look if you're running at nighttime. I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty good, I will say. Look, I do want to say one thing about this, guys. This is very, very bright, like super bright, and a lot of orange, in my opinion. Sometimes I think it's a little too much orange, but some guys do open them, and even Morimoto offer this. You can open them and tint that black if you want to. They give it to you to do it, but you have to open them. So it's your own risk if you open them and mess something up. I didn't talk about a few things because I wanted the truck to be out for this part. So with the Morimotos, how they design them, guys. So right now, when the key is not in, they're at 50% capacity. So when you turn the car on in the daytime running light goes to 100%, right? They also did that same thing with your headlights. When you're driving at nighttime, when you turn on, when your headlights finally turn on, this bar dims back to 50% and your lights are like 100%. That way you're not blinding cars. Apparently that's a lot of new technology with the new cars these days and trucks, where they have that the dimming feature to where the bar dims and then your lights are bright. So Morimoto kind of keep that and incorporate that with some of the OEM stuff. that a lot of the manufacturers are doing. So I think that's pretty cool. So that's the first look at them. I think they look amazing. The functionality, I'll show y'all a nighttime drive video here soon, as I said, but man, these things are crisp, bro. They make the truck look a lot more modern. I want to say almost sometimes too modern for red, you know, because red's the older truck. But when we lose some sunlight and it gets dark outside, I come back outside and show y'all the nighttime view. All right, guys, so it's nighttime. I want to show y'all how bright the freaking startup lights are. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it real quick. Like, look at that. That's just the lights, not even the headlights. These are just the beam. Like, one, those are the side markers. They're super bright. Look how much coverage they got. Like, they literally cover all the way out. Almost, if they do go into the grass, and then right here, like how much light they put out on the street, like lights up the street. Like I said, and that's not even the headlights. That is just the beam, the outer beam running right there, as y'all can see. So this is what it looks like at nighttime, guys. Look really, really good. I'm not gonna lie. Look at the side marker down here on the ground. Like, look how much it lights up, guys. Like, and I'm turning it off just so y'all can see. Let me see, lock it. Look at that. Like, yeah, so I'm just gonna unlock it now. See what that look like. Just unlock the doors. There it is. Just unlock. Like, yeah, pretty bright. Hey, Brielle's right here. You ready? You can hop in. Now just go do the left side, just so y'all can see over there. Oh yeah, super bright. Now do the right side. We're gonna go to the right. Yep. Good. So actually, guys, what I had Brielle do, I turned the fog lights off so y'all can just see the light output. Again, there it is. Like I said, super bright. Y'all can see pretty much everything. I'll turn it 1 and see. Hold on, I gotta tell her what to do. There we go. Yep. So that's without the lights on. That's just the freaking, that's almost kind of like your daytime running beam. Not really. So have her do it again. There we go. So that's the daytime running beam. This thing is stupid bright. And I'll show you how much light output it's putting out. Look at that. No headlights at all. Just the daytime running bar. This is the brightest setting. So when she go back the other way, turn them all the way back on, boom, that's how it is. So all 4. So yeah, it looks pretty good. And then I want you to do one more time high beams. Just flash me real quick. Yep, so that's the high beams. You probably can't see, but the bottom 2 kicked on down there. Turn it off again. Do it again. Yeah, there we go, like that. So anyway, guys, so yeah, that's how it looks at nighttime. Just want to show y'all that it's a ton of light output. As y'all can see, like I said, light the street pretty good. All right, guys, so this is a nighttime driving shot with the new Morimoto headlights in. As you can see, I don't have my fog lights on or anything right now, anything but the Morimoto headlights. You can see lights up pretty good. What I will say is I noticed that it lights up a lot more of the shoulder. I can see a lot more like off to the side as opposed with the Enzos. I couldn't see as much. Again, the headlight on the Enzo was out, so it's hard to tell. But I think one of them do need to adjust it. See how the left side is down, but it's potentially like that on purpose, so I want blind drivers coming on. So you want to kind of, I guess, tilt one down, not sure. But y'all can see, yeah, that's what it looks like. And also, I have 55% windshield tint on my windows, as y'all may or may not know. But the Morimoto license roll, pretty good. So I'm definitely happy with them. So what's up, guys? I just want to do a quick side-by-side comparison of the Morimotos, which is on your left, and the Enzos, which are on your right-hand side, so you can see the difference in light output. I was going to try to break it down, but clearly you can see on the left and right that the Morimotos, again, on your left, just have a lot better output, a lot more coverage on the side. So it speaks for itself. I don't have to say much. All right, guys, I forgot to close out my video, so I'm going to go ahead and do it here. I'm super happy with the Morimoto headlights. As you can see right there, the daytime running lights, which is my favorite part of the Morimotos. Super bright, super crisp. I know they are pricey, but so far I will say they have been worth the price, and I'm super excited about them. Hopefully I don't have any issues with these, but it's your boy Q. That's all I got. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.